Alright everybody, I am here in chapter 11. This is going to be in Wiley Plus. This is going to be problem 11.4, and I'm just going to walk you through how to do it. So basically, the Splish Brothers Inc. issued 9,300 shares of stock at $102 per value, preferred stock for cash at $114 per share. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to debit all the cash. So you're going to find the grand total of the preferred stock for cash at $114 per share, and you're going to multiply that by 9,300, which is the number of shares total, and that's going to give you 1,060,200, and that's the debit because that's the total amount of cash that we're going to receive. And then over here we're going to credit preferred stock, which is the total amount of the original shares par value, which is $102. You're going to take that $102 times 9,300 shares, and that's going to give you 948,600, and that's what they originally sold for. And then you're going to find the difference of the paid-in capital and the cash, or the preferred stock and the cash, and that's going to give you the paid-in capital in excess of par value preferred stock, and that's going to leave you with the remainder of 111,600, which is essentially all the money they made off of reselling those stocks. So if you have any questions, go ahead and just comment below.